It's a new animal. So guess what animal it is? It's black and white. Is it a zebra or a panda? No. It's a bird. It lays an egg but it cannot fly. No. Don't think it's an ostrich. It's a great swimmer. Yes, it's the penguin. So there are 20 species of penguins. I'll just tell you the 5 famous species of penguins. 2 large penguins are called the emperor penguin and the king penguin. Then the 3 small ones are the chinstrap penguin and the African penguin and the blue penguin. The blue penguin is the smallest, just about 2 feet long, and the emperor penguin is the largest. It's 4 feet long and 45 kg. That's more than me. I'm just 20 kg. Then now I'll tell you, where do penguins live? Penguins live in the Antarctic zone and even more parts in coasts of South Africa and coasts of Australia. So penguins live in a group called colony, hundreds and thousands of them. So penguins spend most of their time in water, half in land and half in water. So why do they spend lots of time in the water? That's why for looking their favorite food is fish. They'll keep swimming until they find its fish. Its food is fish and krill, shrimp and little squid. So what are penguins' predators? Yes, penguins' predators are leopard seals, sea lions, orcas and sharks. So penguins escape from lightning speed. They swim really fast, jump on their bellies and slide away. Their bellies are really slippery. So penguins' wings are waterproof. They are aquatic animals because penguins are warm-blooded. They have some special oil that helps them swim really fast.